Hello everyone. Today we will learn the chain stitch. So now you know how to knew how to make a slip knot or magic ring. Now we will make a chain stitch. So how to make a chain stitch? First is start with your slip knot. So I will just I will just cut this. Then make a slip knot. Okay, use this technique or this technique. Okay, either of that two, but I prefer to use this kind of technique. Okay, start with your slip knot like this. Okay, loosen. And then yan, we have slip knot. Then yarn over to make a chain stitch. It's not an issue how many chain stitch you created or crochet. It depends on the project. Okay, so to make your first chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, and you created your first chain. Then repeat the process until you have at least 20 chain stitches. Okay, we repeat the process, yarn over, fold through the loop. We have three chain stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 chain stitches. Medyo masakit yung lalamunan ko na nabubulol ako. Stuttering. Sorry for that. So now we created or made a 20 stitches or 20 chain stitches or stitch. So try to make your own chain stitch by following the step. Okay, start with your slip knot, yarn over, fold through the loop, and repeat the process until you have 20 or more stitches. It depends on the project needed in the project. Okay, congratulations! You created your own chain stitch. See you in my next video. In my next video, we will make a slip stitch.